across to Tejashree because it's important to see what's happening at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Tejashree, some celebrations happening. Is this hoping against hope for some sort of an increase in numbers?
Well, see, absolutely, it's 10:24 and till 10:24, what we were expecting is that this Aam Aadmi Party office could have been flooded with the Karyakartas, as earlier we have seen that how it happened in 2020, but as of now, you could see that just handful of Karyakartas are present over here, but just the numbers as Arvind Kejriwal is getting a lead of 200, that's why they just played a song for a few minutes and then the song is again closed, it's off, so seems like they've got an instruction to not start the celebration as of now, but let us speak to the Karyakartas as well, so as to what they have been told, what they have been asked to do. क्या बताया गया है आपको फिलहाल जीत की तैयारी करनी है नहीं करनी?
बिल्कुल जीत की तैयारी हमारी
करनी है नहीं करनी?
करनी है जी मैडम।
लेकिन लग नहीं रहा है कि जीतने वाले हैं।
जीतने वाले हैं या
जीतने वाले हैं, लेकिन अभी पार्टी ऑफिस के बाहर पूरा सन्नाटा नजर आ रहा है।
सन्नाटा जीतेंगे
तो खुश होंगे आप जीतेंगे ऐसा लग रहा है?
हाँ जी।
लेकिन हारते हुए लग रहा है। पूरे पार्टी ऑफिस में ना कोई गाना बज रहा है ना सेलिब्रेशन हो रहे हैं, कुछ ही कार्यकर्ता
सब चीज बज रहा है। आम आदमी पार्टी कार्यकर्ता विनय कुमार खरा
So you see, just few of Karyakartas have gathered over here, and in fact, they are boosting up the confidence of the cadre, of the people, of the Karyakartas on the ground. That no matter what, even if Aam Aadmi Party is trailing initially, but after the trends, they are hopeful that they will win. But what also we are picking up, big breaking news as of now, that a meeting is going on over here at party office inside the party headquarters, where in fact the general secretary and the party spokespersons are present, who are present and talking to media. But as the trends started coming, and as the trends were not in favor of Aam Aadmi Party, they are inside. And another meeting is also being held at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, where Sanjay Singh is also present. So two meetings as of now. Strategy is being decided so as to what Aam Aadmi Party will be doing next, what will be their strategy, what issues will they be picking, will they be talking about the EVMs, will they be talking about the voter deletion, what they will be doing, all eyes on their forward strategy. Back to you.
Well, Tejashree, yes, now there will be a meeting to discuss what are the reasons to give, what is the public argument to build there. But going across to the Congress headquarters as well, where my colleague Sabyasachi joins me from the ground. Oh God, well, Sabyasachi, tala to khul gaya hai, but I can't see any people in there. Sabyasachi, what's going on? Work from home still?
Well, straight away show you the visuals. Well, it seems like that the entire Congress party and the workers are working from home. Nobody from morning, not a single worker or a single leader has come to the DPCC office out here in the national capital. See, from this office, since the day the polls were announced, various press conferences from different leaders, the media passes, everything was given from this office. But today, not a single party worker present out here. Now, the gates were only opened at around 9:30 today, so it shows the kind of mindset as well as the confidence of the Congress party. The entire office is empty, just 2 or 3 media personals, that's it. Rest entire office is empty. None of the Congress officials are even present out here today.
No officials, no business happening there. Sanjay Jha.